A one-day orientation workshop on Mission Indradhanush was conducted today at the auditorium of Regional Outreach Bureau in Wangkhay Yonglan Leirang, Imphal East. It was jointly organized by Regional Outreach Bureau under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India and Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur. Manipur Health Minister L. Jayantakumar inaugurated the event, and as a part of the program, a technical and interaction session was held at the venue. A one-day Mau market has been opened today at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal since early morning. As usual, city dwellers thronged the temporary Mau market to purchase fresh and organic Mau produce. 2 children were killed in a fire which broke out at residence in Beltola area of Guwahati yesterday. The deceased were identified as 8-year-old Ishan and 3-year-old brother Ivan. As per reports, a short circuit is suspected to be the cause of the fire, which further spread and led to a cylinder blast. Fire tenders rushed to the spot to douse the fire. The Mizoram government has sought the centre's intervention for early completion of a cross-border road under the ambitious Kalakan multi-modal transport project. According to sources, Chief Minister Zoramthanga, who is currently in New Delhi, met Foreign Secretary Harsh Vardhan in the office of the Ministry of External Affairs last Wednesday and discussed with him about the ongoing project. Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio has said that the government of India has recognized the unique history, culture and traditions of the Nagas. As per media reports, Nephew Rio said this while addressing the 71st Chakesang Students Union General Conference coinciding with Phutsaromi Village Students Union Platinum Jubilee celebration at Phutsaromi Village in Pheg district of Nagaland yesterday.